What is up, y'all? Back at it with another video. Today I replaced some bulbs from my SI because the left one was blinking really fast, and I read on a couple forums, I guess, and apparently it's because one of the bulbs was already fried. So we're gonna test it out right now. Actually, let's see. It works now. It works good again. Cause I think it was like blinking like hella fast. And I guess the bulb was burnt. I just changed it now, but I can show you how to do it real quick in case you guys don't know. It's pretty easy. Just a little, get your hands a bit dirty and stuff. But you don't need any tools, honestly. You just need your hands. I mean, I guess you do need like a flathead just to take off the tabs of this piece right here, because you will need to take this off right here and just like push it back. And yeah, but mine didn't have them, so I guess I didn't have to do that part. That's why I said no hand tools for me. But you will just need a flathead and just pop out the tabs. And yeah, so let me show y'all real quick. And these are the Sylvania long life head bulbs. So they work pretty good already. They work good. Oh, hold on, let me turn them on. See how they look. Actually, they look normal, but probably can't see the true clarity of them just because my headlights are a little hazy, but that's how they look. They're the Sylvania ones. I feel like they are a little brighter than OEM. We're gonna see the left one. But this is the one that wasn't working. But I replaced both of them. So enough yapping. Let me get into how to install these real quick so y'all can see. I know I probably should have done the video before I installed them, but I kind of forgot. At first I did think I had to like go from here, and I was like, no way, bro, how am I gonna reach that? But I saw a video and I read on forums, so it's pretty easier. We just basically this what do you call this, the wheel liner, I guess, I don't know, but you just pull it down after you take the tabs off, right? And you'll see that, like that right there, that one right there, that you basically, I'm gonna try to film it so you guys can see well. Basically you just like grab it like that so I can focus. Hold on. Basically just grab it, right, and then you twist it to the left to loosen it, and you take off the other bulb, and you just basically like that, you just twist it right to the left, and then you just take the bulb off. Like there's no like tab or anything you have to like press to take it off. You just pull it out. And then yeah, basically these were the old ones. They were pretty burnt already. I'll show you right now. But yeah, this is brand new Sylvania long life bulbs. And basically just do the same thing. Just put it back, press it in, wait until it like sits like that, and then you just twist it to the right. You should see that too right here. Look, twist it to the left, boom, take it out. You just put it gets flat, and then you twist it to the right. Oh wait, right there. It's right, and it locks like that. Okay, and basically you do the same thing for the other side. It's nothing crazy, same thing. And yeah, I just need some tabs right here. This is the tab that I was missing this one, and I'm missing like another one right here. Those are the tabs. Those are the locations of the tabs that you will be needing to take off if you have them. Not if you don't have them, well then you pretty much have to worry about it. But Subi. But anyways, yeah, it's pretty much how you do it. You do the same thing for the other side. And yeah, mine were pretty black or burnt already, fried completely. And these are the OEM ones, I think. I don't know, but I got these Sylvania ones. They're the long life bulbs. They're like a yellowish, whitish color. They're a little brighter than stock. I mean, a little whiter than stock. So yeah, but that's a simple install. And yeah, so you just do the same thing for the other side. It's not any different. It's literally the same procedure. And yeah, my camera's not focusing. I need to get a new phone for my camera, for my like video quality. But yeah guys, I hope y'all, oh, and also I haven't really been uploading because I don't really have anything to upload as of now. I have not had any money for months currently, but I will be uploading probably getting a catback exhaust system. Not sure which one I should go with, but I do plan on getting one. If you guys could leave some recommendations. I know Skunk 2 is good, but I want to go with something different. And yeah, maybe I don't know, I have to see. Skunk 2, it's good, but it's pretty loud, and I feel like it sounds a little like farty, like that noise that nobody likes, kind of. But I heard there's other exhausts like the Buddy Club one, but I think those are kind of rare to find because they were discontinued. So those are like a little steep. Those are like, I think those are like $600, and Skunk 2 one, I think I found one on Marketplace for like, what was going on with the Poe, man, with the ops. But anyways, yeah, I think those go for like $700 brand new, but I did find one on Marketplace for like would I say like $300 or $250, so I think that's a steal. So I might pick up that one. I'm not sure yet, but I really want to get an exhaust that I'm gonna stay with while I own this car. And yeah, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the install, and hopefully this helped y'all out. Little bike over there. Should I get a bike, y'all? What do y'all think? I had one before, actually. I had an R6. If you guys seen on my channel, I did upload a video of my R6 when I used to have it. But yeah, let me know, guys. I mean, stay tuned. Stay tuned for the next video, and hope y'all enjoy the install. And yeah, oh, also I did install a Hasport rear motor mount, but my engine still kind of shakes a bit when I shift, so I think I have to replace the whole thing. And there's this like cheap knockoff. It's cheap, but it still looks good quality. It's like a what is it called? It's the ones that are called like what is it called? Oh, I'll probably cut this off, but it's called the Bull Boost Performance. There you go. They offer like hella products, but like cheaper, and obviously you don't want to go cheap, but man, the Hasport mount kit's like $600. I'm not trying to spend that much, but the Bull Boost one, it basically replaces this mount and replaces this mount over here as well, like right there underneath, right there, somewhere there. And I already have the Hasport rear mount, so that's good, because I know that there's this one YouTuber that posted the Bull Boost Performance one, and he like was saying like, oh, like the rear one is a bit like, it's like hell like difficult to install because it doesn't fit at all. But he was able to install the front mount one, and then yeah, so I'm just gonna get that one. It's like $200, I think, for the whole kit. And I'm just gonna install this one, and then the other one, then the rear one that comes with that kit. And just, I don't know, probably just keep it as a spare, whatever, I guess, if I ever need it. Even though it'll be a pain in the ass to fit, but I'll probably grind it down. And yeah, but yeah, I'm probably gonna get that one replaced with these, because they're billet quality. They're just like, the quality is good, I've heard, but they just don't. The fitment's kind of ass. Basically, you have to like move stuff around a little bit. But I'm probably gonna do that. And yeah, ew, what is that? Does not sound good. But anyways, yeah, I'm in the video here, y'all. Stop yapping away. And yeah, that's how you install some Sylvania or just any turn signal bulb. Pretty easy. Hope y'all enjoy the video, and catch you on the next one later.